Hello friends, welcome to Tech World Affairs. Today, we delve into the electrifying world of switchgears. Switchgears, as you may know, play a crucial role in the electrical power systems, enabling the safe and efficient operation of these systems. They protect and isolate electrical equipment from the anomalies that could occur in the network, such as short circuits. There are several types of electrical switchgears, each with its unique features and applications. We'll explore each one in detail. Firstly, we have the low-voltage switchgear or LV switchgear. This type is commonly used in residential and small commercial buildings. The voltage range for this type typically does not exceed 1000 volts. It's designed to be compact, cost-effective, and safe to operate. Next up is the medium-voltage switchgear or MV switchgear. This is predominantly used in industrial and large commercial areas. The voltage range for this type falls between 1000 and 35,000 volts. It's more complex than its low-voltage counterpart and is designed to handle larger electrical loads. The third type is the high-voltage switchgear or HV switchgear. These are used in power stations and large industrial installations where the voltage exceeds 35,000 volts. High-voltage switchgears are designed to handle enormous electrical loads and are built to withstand high levels of electrical insulation. Lastly, we have the ultra-high-voltage switchgear or UHV switchgear. These are used in power transmission systems where the voltage exceeds 150,000 volts. These switchgears are engineered for long-distance power transmission and are the most complex and expensive of all switchgear types. Now let's summarize what we've covered today. We talked about 4 types of switchgears. The low-voltage switchgear, which is compact and cost-effective, perfect for residential and small commercial buildings. The medium-voltage switchgear, used in larger industrial and commercial areas. The high-voltage switchgear, designed for power stations and large industrial installations. And finally, the ultra-high-voltage switchgear, used for long-distance power transmission. These switchgears play a vital role in our electrical power systems. From the smallest residential buildings to the largest power transmission systems, they ensure the safe and efficient operation of these systems while protecting the equipment from any potential anomalies. Thank you for joining us on this electrifying journey through the world of switchgears. We hope you found it informative and enlightening. Please subscribe to Tech World Affairs for the latest updates. Stay tuned for more intriguing insights into the world of technology. Until next time, power on.